In this video, you'll learn how to fix operations anomalies on your Binance account. This guide provides essential steps to troubleshoot common issues you may encounter while using the platform. To begin, log out of your Binance account. You can do this by navigating to the user settings, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Once logged out, log back in to refresh your session. This action can help resolve minor glitches. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable. If you experience connectivity issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that improves the situation. It is also advisable to disable any VPNs temporarily, as these can trigger security flags that may hinder your access to the platform. After confirming your internet connection is stable, check whether your account is fully verified and not restricted. A restricted account can lead to operational anomalies. If you're using the Binance app and still face issues, consider logging in through a desktop browser. This can sometimes provide a more stable experience and help identify if the problem lies with the app itself. Next, if you're still experiencing problems, go to your phone's settings and locate the Binance app. Clear the app cache to remove any temporary files that may be causing issues. If you find that your app is outdated, head to the official App Store to update it. After clearing the cache or updating the app, restart your device. It is important to avoid using modded or unofficial versions of the app, as these can lead to system errors and further complications. If the anomaly persists even after these steps, your next action should be to contact Binance support. Navigate to the Binance Help Center and submit a support ticket detailing your issue. Be sure to attach screenshots of any error messages you encounter. This information will assist the support team in diagnosing the problem more. It is essential to wait for an official response before attempting any repeated actions, as multiple failed attempts can temporarily lock your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.